Well, it's E-Dub, Emoneyshoes, Mr. Brick by Brick, Mr. KO4 back up in this thing with another review. It's going to be very interesting. This might be a hype beast, might be something for all us technology people, but very easy. Go check out the home team, 313 Retro Queen, MCFLYKOF, PMKICKZ, all of them making moves to 5K. Your boy Emoneyshoes on the way to 10K. You feel me? Stay tuned, like I said, get that notification bell ready. Every time I drop a vid, you better check it out. I try to keep it short, sweet, simple, and to the point. I don't try to run my big mouth. So, we got a lot to talk about in this video, so let's get into it. As you can see, this is a ginormous box. This is a PP personal power with a size 11 on this. As you can see, you got a Puka, which means Hon.Hi, size 11. Nike Adapt Auto Max, 11 in men, 12 and a half in women's. Official colorway, pure platinum particle gray. Suggested retail price, $400. Oh my goodness. Woo, that hurt deep down in the bone. Oh my goodness. With your QR code and all of that stuff. Look at all of this stuff. You got air, you got swoosh, you got Air Max, you got a pull tab. You got a lot of bells and whistles in this joint. You got some instructions. Check it out. In the middle, I got my receipt. I paid a whopping $340 military discount. So you see, you got this Auto Max. You got these little gizmos here. Some people are like, Emoneyshoes, are you nuts? Are you out of your rabbit RAM mind? See, you got little toys in here, little Auto Max toy. So cute, so lovely. Then you got your thing here. You got a charging pad, like your like you got a PlayStation or something and you're done. Thing, this is cray. Now look at that shoe there. You got the charging pad underneath there. This box is huge. Let me tell you, when I tell you that. So I put this back in like so. You know, I got to keep everything all nice. And it's supposed to be, you're going to go like this. Bam. Somebody said infrared, but these joints, to me, look orange. I don't care. Auto Max. This is probably the closest I'm gonna get to some Air Max. For those of us who are vertically challenged, this is a shoe you want at about 2 or 3 inches to you. But like I said, this is a self-lacing shoe. See right there, got your pro. Look at that. Plus and minus. Very dope shoe in my opinion. State of the art technology here going on with these joints underneath. Look at that. You got that translucent. I would say this is orange. I don't care what they're talking about, infrared, but it could be a little different because it's translucent. So you got this nice materials. You got black. You got black here. Coming around on it. You got, I don't know what the heck it is. I don't know if it's cement or what, but you got then some gray materials on here. You got all nylon. This is your lacing system, just like you would have on the Air Max, Auto Max. Then you got nylon right here. Coming around on the side, you just seen it light up. And look at this ginormous air unit on these shoes. Very good. And then you see the plus minus, they loosen, tighten up the shoe. You got the swoosh right here, like so. Then you turn around on the ass. You got a huge ass on this shoe. I mean, a big ass on this shoe. You got swooshes, pardon my French, but that, if you turn on the light, you see, you got the 3M right there. Got a little bit of dirt, clean it off. But you can see the 3M popping on these things for you 3M lovers. Very nice. Turn it off. Coming back on the medial side here. You can see you got your air unit. I mean, look at that air unit. You can see clean to the other side. Oh my goodness. And this right here. You got your swoosh on the shoe. Some people say it's not worth $400, but it depends. That could be subjective. You got, like I said, you got nicer cushion here and support. your shoe tree. Coming to pull it in like this. 11 to 13, you should have it like so. Coming inside, as you can see, you got your little Auto Max and your little gizmo that you got the little toy inside. 11 production date on these is 9/13/19 to 2/2/20, and you got your QR code on this shoe. So I mean, it's just nice. As you can see, pretty much the same thing on the other side. Some people prefer some other ones, but you see right there, I like that light up. Take it around, do it like this, like so. So do a quick spin-a-rooney. So I think you get a lot on this for your $400. So only little it meter by the comfort. This would have been a great, I know Emoneyshoes, this would have been great to do with own feet. But sorry people, I didn't want to do no own feet. I'm gonna get around to it. Trust me, I will get around to it. So y'all can see what it actually looks like. But only little it meter, I will give this, because of the technology, the price, I'm gonna give this a 4.9 out of 5. 4.9 out of 5. Only maybe didn't get the other point because of the price point. Some may say it's too high, some may be priced regular, but I'm gonna give it a 4.9 out of 5. So you guys let me know what y'all think about this in the comment suggestion below. Is this a pass? Is this a shoe that you would try out? Like I said, this probably be the closest I get to the Air Max. I think the Air Max is about 10 grand, and that is not gonna happen. So if you're watching this video, make sure you turn into the pre-show tomorrow or Thursday between Go Weeds and Authentic Kicks Ricky. And we're also gonna have a battle on Saturday at 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on 313 Retro Queen channel for the championship. So again, drop a comment below. Let me know what you think. Thanks for all the love and support. Emoneyshoes, I'm out.